Hey guys, Andrew here from the Reach Company. In this tutorial, this is a general essentials sites tutorial. The sites where you just come in and replace my logos, colors, and content with your own. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to add a new user to your site. I know that a lot of you guys probably have like staff or volunteers that update a few things on the website. And so we're going to use our River Church essential site to do that. Starting here on the home page, we're just going to click here on dashboard. It's going to take us to the back end. Again, there's a lot of tutorial videos, so if you need to learn your way around the dashboard, there is a dashboard overview video for you to check out as well. We are going to go straight down here to users and click on users. This lists all of the users on the website. I'm the only one here right now, and so we're going to click add new. And we're going to assign a username. I like, when I'm working with the organization, I like to make sure that there are standards across the board for usernames. And so we're going to call this guy Joe Filippo, but I like for usernames to have some uniformity. And so I have like a period there, or if you just have it one word. That way it's easy for people to remember, and it's easy for you as the site administrator to remember as well. So we're going to call this Joe Filippo at yourchurch.com. His name's Joe Filippo. We don't need to worry about a website. And right here on his role, we're going to set it the same as yours for site admin. If you have plans on using your website for a lot of different roles, like if you want somebody to just have access to add sermons, just have access to add events, or just have access to work with forms, I'd be more than happy to tweak your website a little bit with you. On top of essentials, they work pretty much out the box if you just replace our content. But some essential sites we like we find that churches need some extra customization, and so we'd love to work with you on setting up some of these other user roles that fit your organization better. And so once you add all the pertinent information, just click add new user, and it will send them an email to set up their password. Alternatively, you can set up a password right here. I tend to do this because sometimes emails directly from the WordPress system get lost in spam, especially if you're using something like Gmail. Gmail has a strong spam filter. And so what I do usually when I'm setting up a new user is I add the new user, and then I send them this information from my personal email, like, hey Joe, I wanted to let you know I made you a user on our website. Here's your username. Here's the password I made for you. Make sure when you go in that you change out your password with a new one and save it to your profile. And signed Andrew Peters, guy at church, and that way I know that they got it. And yeah, that's how you add a new user. Again, if you need to tweak the user roles to be more specific for your organization, send me an email at hello@thereach.company, and I'll be glad to help you with that.